Hey, how's everyone doing? It's Phil with Total Roofing. We're out here in Highland, Indiana today. Today's the second day of a roofing build on a church. So this roof got purchased through the insurance due to the March storms. We're finally getting to it just due to the volume. So you'll see these are 3-tab shingles. This is a 20-year-old roof. Good news, church had a replacement cost value policy. So they're gonna be getting this entire church covered for the cost of their deductible. So it's a huge win for them. Unforeseen costs or things that come up and arise during a project. The big one I'm going to show you here. Yesterday we did the tear off. This section, when we stripped the shingles, we actually uncovered they have ice and water shield over the entire roof deck. That's not code in the Midwest where we live. So actually this is a huge issue because the manufacturers don't allow us to go over old ice and water, and you'll see we couldn't even get the old shingles off. So we had to strip all the plywood. So just a key reminder, don't install ice and water shield over your entire roofing deck unless you intend on that being your last roof. So right now over here, we're stripping the old plywood with those glued on shingles. So we're gonna just show you what that looks like. See a truss system in the back. These are 2-foot on center trusses. So we actually have to go back with 3/4 plywood. So we're in the process of installing the new plywood. So then we're in a position to install the Owens Corning synthetic underlayment to get these clients up to that platinum status and to make sure the roof's installed correct. I want to show you the product we're doing. So this is going to be an Owens Corning platinum roofing system featuring the OC duration shingle. Key feature with that, they have their patented sure nail technology. But a really cool thing about this project is this is a brand new color for 2026. This is called Mountain Pine. So you're going to actually get some of the green granules, some of the good old brown hues, as well as some light gray. So we're gonna show you one side that's getting installed, and you can see it relative to the pre-existing roof. So we're excited to showcase Mountain Pine on this job. I wanna highlight a few things. What is an Owens Corning Platinum system? So it obviously features their specific shingles that they manufacture, but a lot of the other elements, you have to use their accessories. So we showcase the underlayment in other videos. We're also installing the Owens Corning ice and water shield. So it's their product. Then after that, we have the Owens Corning starter strip and then an Owens Corning ridge cap. So every accessory for this roof, it's specific to the system, as well as the ventilation that we're gonna install after all the shingles are secured.